Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll show you how to remove yourself as a collaborator on Instagram, step by step. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Start by locating the Instagram app on your device and tapping on it to open. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Find the post you want to remove yourself from. Once you're on the Instagram home screen, navigate to the specific post where you are listed as a collaborator. You can find it on your profile under Posts or someone else's profile if they shared it. Step 3. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of the post. When you've located the post, look for 3 small dots in the top right corner. Tap on these dots to reveal more options. Step 4. Tap Stop Sharing from the options. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Stop Sharing. This will initiate the process to remove yourself as a collaborator. Step 5. Confirm by tapping Stop Sharing in the pop-up. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to stop sharing. Simply tap Stop Sharing again to confirm your decision. And that's it. You've successfully removed yourself as a collaborator from the post. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.